जल्दी नहीं बन जाता, उसके लिए चाहिए सुपर हीरो जैसी बॉडी, सुपर हीरो जैसी डांस मूव्स और सुपर हीरो जैसा हार्ट. So we have with us here a flying jet, Tiger Shroff. और जब रेमो डिसूजा डायरेक्ट कर रहे हो तो सुपर हीरो के डांस मूव्स सुपर तो होनी ही है. प्लीज वेलकम द फ्लाइंग डायरेक्टर रेमो डिसूजा. Tiger. Hi.
Hi. Hey guys, how are you? Hello. Hello. Hi.
So हमें लगता था कि सुपर हीरोज बहुत लकी होते हैं because they get the best girls. But today we are here for the launch of the official merchandise of a flying jet. So what do you mean? It's very cool that a superhero we have an entire range of and for Tiger Shroff. So how does this feel?
It's a huge honor. बचपन से मुझे एक सुपर हीरो बनना था and I used to always have these Spider-Man figures growing up. और आखिर I have, you know, a figure of my own, a flying jet, so it's an honor.
Thank you. Remo, we have you here. We are so excited. Can you tell us something about, why making this character Flying Jet? When you were thinking of doing this?
My God. Actually इसीलिए बनाया है पिक्चर मैंने, इन्हीं के लिए बनाया है. यही वजह है क्योंकि फ्लाइंग जेट यहाँ पे. So I'm very happy. I think we should just.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, we're very excited. We have the official merchandise of Flying Jet. The entire range is here. Remo and Tiger, may I kindly request you to please unveil the range for us. Are we guys excited?
Are you ready?
Which is your favorite product? It's going to be very difficult to choose, I'm sure. Very difficult. Tiger, which is your favorite product from this entire range? And he's chosen the Bobblehead! And here we can see a flying jet and we can see Raka, the supervillain. And we all know that Nathan Jones, Aka Raka, is there. So, Remo, may I request you to please tell us something about this?
That's the nature man. This is the pollution man, basically. And of course, Flying Jet gets power from nature, and this guy gets power from pollution. So, yeah.
So, it's nature versus pollution man.
Yes.
And Tiger, what do you think of the entire range? We have so many products in the merchandise. What do you think of this?
I think it's lovely. I think we've covered just about everything from t-shirts to cups to pillows and lovely designs. So whoever made these, thank you so much. And I'm going to use this for my car. And I'm going to sleep with my flying jet pillow now. So I'm very happy. I love you. I love you.
Remo sir, what do you have to say about this entire range?
I am so excited about after seeing all this. I think it's amazing and very happy that they've made all this. I want all this.
I think all of us here want each and every product from this range. Well, the merchandise has been a collaborative effort of Brand Monk, Who's Code, Wowheads, Ut Patang and Ginger Crush. With a huge range of products from electronic to back to school to apparels, figurines and comic books created by TBS Planet. This merchandise will be available on Amazon, Flipkart, Ginger Crush, utpatang.com and other retailing portals. I would now like to invite the licensee of Ginger Crush, Mansha Sood, also Imaipreet from Wowheads and Mr. Rajiv Tamankar from TBS Planet to please join us. Okay, so kids, tell me one thing. A superhero is incomplete without what? Superpowers. Right. So all of you now can experience the superpowers. And how can you do that? With the official of Flying Jut game. Woohoo! And let me tell you one thing, that this game is developed by Hungama Games. Mr. Rajiv Tamankar from TBS Planet, can we have him? So let's talk about the official Flying Jut game, and for this may I invite on stage Mr. Siddharth Roy, CEO from Hungama. Mr. Roy, it's great having you here. Could you please tell us something more about this game?
I mean, it's all about superheroes. We've got the superhero here. We've got the superhero director here. Hungama has been very excited and proud to bring the Flying Jut game to consumers. It's a first of its kind game for India, where we've actually done a multiplayer game. So technically, Tiger and Remo both can play against each other in the game. It's what we called an endless game, where the game never finishes. You can continue to play and get superpowers, get what they've done in the game in terms of the superheroes. We've been able to get some of those stories into the game as well. Without further ado, I'd like both Tiger and Remo to unveil the
I think we should ask Remo. Remo, what do you think about this?
I think it looks damn good. I mean, it's very, very cool, I think. And yeah.
Okay. Here he is a Flying Jut, okay? So you can also say Flying Jut when you're cheering him on. Also now, I want all your attention right here, because we have an exclusive poster that we're going to launch for you, unveil to you. So may I kindly request Remo, Tiger, please can we escort you right there and... official game here. We've just launched it for all of you. Let's get them to play, okay? So kids, should we ask Tiger to play it first? Yes?